He's gonna throw it at me.
You see what I'm saying? I already knew it. I got him. Is that razor gonna?
Come on. Look at all the fish in here. Oh my gosh, dude.
Listen up, football fans. This is the last weekend of the entire year to get your bets in. I, of course, have partnered up with DraftKings yet again, and right now is the perfect time to take your shot at the crown. DraftKings is literally giving $200 in bonus bets to anyone that bets $5 on anything. $5 gets you $200 in bonus bets. Now, if you're sitting here and you're like, Paul, well, what the heck can I bet $200 on? It's Super Bowl 58. Combine all your bets into one for a shot at an even bigger payout. Now, if you're already signed up with DraftKings, you can make a bet on Super Bowl 58 and get a bonus bet back. Get a bonus back in the amount of your initial wager. Max reward varies. Now, don't worry if sports betting is not available in your state just yet. You can still join in on all the fun with DraftKings Daily Fantasy for a shot at winning cash prizes. I know I'll be watching Super Bowl 58 right here on this couch next to the pond. Plural. There's another one now. So what are you waiting for? Go download DraftKings Sportsbook app. The link is down below. Use my promo code, Paul Cuffaro. It's displayed right here on the screen. Bet just $5 on any wager and get $200 in bonus bets instantly. 5 to 200. Pretty crazy. Thank you so much, DraftKings. I appreciate you. Let's get back into the video. What's going on, Cuffaro? It's been a while since I've opened a video at night. It is completely dark right now. What time is it? It is 7:52. We're at Walmart in the middle of southern Florida. We're heading to the Keys. Florida Keys is gonna be a dope day. A trip full of fun. I'm not even sure what we're doing today. Probably a fish trap. Gosh, my camera is not.
I love your videos. All I hear is a trip full of fun. Wow, the quality difference.
Wow. I need to step my game up. Oh my goodness, look at the size of it. Oh. He is on my back right now. So this trip is gonna consist of Brenton Zeckleton, Jaquan, and Cassandra. Hey Cassandra. This is Blake's sister, if no one knows that. That's Blake's sister. Can you get off my back, please?
Yeah, I can.
Thanks, bud.
Stop. I literally thought you were gonna kill me, dude.
I thought you were gonna die. We need some shrimp. He's gonna throw it at me. You see what I'm saying? I already knew it. I literally said it before. I'm not sure where it is, but fish trap stuff. I'm looking for a fish trap. We're gonna do a fish trap in the Florida Keys. It is the first time I've ever done one in this area, this location. Florida Keys is very well known for its exotic species. I mean, reef species. These are some crazy fish. I'm looking for fish trap. Here we go. We got the fishing section now, so we're looking like we're a little bit closer. We are going to need one of these. I'll tell you that for dang sure. Cannot be in the Florida Keys without a net. Gosh, Miami Walmarts really do know how to party. Is that a crab trap? That's like a crab trap. That sits on the bottom, you put food, and then you pull it straight up. They might not have fish traps here, fellas. We might need to hit another store. They have trolling motors here. They have literal trolling motors, but no fish traps. That is incredible. They have nothing remotely close to a fish trap, which means tomorrow we'll probably have to stop somewhere.
We could build one. You want to build one?
We could build one.
We could build one.
That requires a Home Depot trip.
No. We could build one from here.
Walmart fish trap?
Walmart fish trap. Just like that. Don't want to. Oh, that's way heavier than I thought it was going to be.
Oh,
why was that way heavier than I thought?
Dude, that just hit me so hard, right? The corner of it just.
Yeah. That hurts really.
Why didn't you catch it? You told me you were going to catch it.
No, I didn't.
Look at my hair right now. I can just feel it. This is perfect.
Yeah, and it's got that airtight super lock.
It's got that airtight seal. Probably make an entrance here.
Yeah, here, let's draw out our plan. So what you want to do is the way fish kind of use archaeology, don't laugh, is everything goes on a front and back basis around a diameter. So what you do is you'd put some form of circular diameter here, roughly twice the size of the average fish you'd like to catch. Okay? And then I learned this in algebra 4. Algebra 4. That went so when
what grade was that in?
That was in 7th grade. So you put it right. You put it right here.
Got it. Thank you for your help. Appreciate that.
Anytime. So
I need a small container to then go into that. So where do we find that?
Gotcha.
Aisle 14, Bay 3.
Wait, they only have bays in Home Depot.
You're right.
You're right. I got this. This is gonna go where they can get in and out from. We're gonna build all this later, of course. We need zip ties, and we have the best homemade fish trap you could
Walmart
do.
fish trap.
Wait, we also need to find a way to get through the bucket, like holes. We gotta figure out a way to make holes.
Get a nice pair of scissors.
Yeah, there we go. Nice pair of scissors.
All right, scissors, zip ties off camera, of course. That's the gist of it. Right here will be our fish trap to catch reef fish in the Florida Keys.
Good job.
$50 buckaroos. That is the cheapest trip I've taken anywhere in a long time, fellas. It is the next morning out here in the Keys. I know it's a crazy location we're at right now. It's weird that I found this place. I was driving by, there's this little gate on the side of the road, and I stopped. As we walk up, the water is just crystal clear. Look at all the little fish, see them all? So we threw up the drone, and in the drone you could see how close this lake is to the ocean. I mean, it's within a football throwing distance away. I then came to figure out that this place was once called Aqua Ranch. It was here to advance the fields of aquaculture and sustainable fishing in the United States. So there was a plan to educate the public through eco tours and hands-on participation throughout the facility. Aqua Ranch was a place that grew cobia, big cobia. If you don't know what a cobia is, it's this beautiful species that you find a lot of the times behind stingrays and sharks. This is where they were feeding them. There was mutton snappers and everything in this pond at one point. How did they get them all out? If they got them all out, I have no idea. I couldn't tell you, but it's been abandoned for probably almost a decade now. I'm not sure why it got taken down or why it's no longer a thing. Some people watching probably know more info about this place than I do. I was very young at that point, but this used to have some crazy monster fish inside of it. So I've got all the stuff we bought at the store yesterday. We need to make a fish trap right now. Brenton is gonna help me build this fish trap just because Brenton likes building homemade things. Is that razor gonna... That broke.
Thank God that cracked inside the hole.
Inside the hole. This thing's working, dude. It's working.
No, it's working. It's working. You're moving.
Yep. Hole with a crack inside again.
Yep. Okay. Paul, you are doing so good.
Our hole is made. It is not the best hole, but I think it's gonna fit.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I did bring this net right here. I'm gonna try to catch some mollies. I saw a lot of saltwater mollies on the bank. Check me out. Brenton, keep making that trap, buddy. You're doing great.
Thank you.
Got him!
Oh, wow.
That right there is how you catch some saltwater minnows or mollies.
I don't know if that was the right technique, but yeah.
It worked.
It worked.
I will say, I must have bought the cheapest net. Look what it does. How am I supposed to catch a fish with that thing?
I hope you know that this camera's gonna turn off on you at an important part while you're talking. It's gonna be all your fault.
Dude, that, I mean, honestly,
That is beautiful.
that might be one of the best fish traps I've ever seen.
Look at that. Just like that, homemade fish trap, ready to go. Guess what we've got right here? Don't die on me, camera, don't die on me. That's all the shrimp that we bought yesterday and forgot in the back of the truck overnight, so it's nice and defrosted. Camera died, bro. You called it.
I did.
You did call it. We got a lot of shrimp inside the fish trap. I am going to pop the top on. Now this trap is ready to be set into the beautiful water here in the Florida Keys. I'm gonna put this in a second, but I did wanna look up the Facebook group for Aqua Ranch. This place is really cool. And again, I don't know why it's no longer a thing. I really wish it was. But look at these pictures from 2009. Hand feeding monster cobia. I believe they had a dock that went out, and that's where like they did a lot of the feedings and stuff like that. This place was probably so cool. I would have loved to come here at one point in my life. Regardless of all the Aqua Ranch coolness, we've got a trap right here, and it's time to go out. The fish are gonna swim right through here, smelling that shrimp. You guys know the gist. Once they get in, it's gonna have trouble. They definitely could still get back out, but they have trouble always finding that small hole back in, especially because from above you can see they're gonna have to come around and go straight through the middle to get back out. So lots of shrimp in there. Definitely lots of smell. Let's put this trap out. That is so money. Look at the minnows are all going in already. Look how many small fish are around the trap. Looks like we're definitely not the only visitors. There's trash cans here as well, full of old bait boxes and chicken wings and energy drinks. Our trap is right here. We got minnows in there. Some minnows in it already. Just put that in 2 seconds ago. So we're gonna give it some time sitting over there. Take a look into the depths here. You'll see a lot of fish and it's clear. So I'm sitting here waiting on my fish trap to collect some fish, of course, and I just wanted to look up a little bit more information on this place because I'm genuinely curious.
Freshwater lure for largemouth bass.
This guy's throwing a Show him the lure. This guy's got a giant swim bait with straight braid.
What the fish do is they come up behind it and they go.
During the visit, you'll be engaged to feeding giant cobias in the 14-acre saltwater lake. 14 acres. I gotta figure out what happened. County asked to settle on Aqua Ranch violations. Oh, goodness gracious, give me a break. Here we go, I'm in the meat. A pending fine of $1.37 million. Code violations first identified in 2009. What in the? That's why this place is no longer a thing, because code enforcement. I've had quite the past myself. Ah, that's sad. That is depressing. Aqua Ranch operators filed for bankruptcy. Well, fellas, now we both know, you and I, why this place is no longer a thing, unfortunately. Would have been really cool to still see that dock here with all the fish eating on the sides and, you know, teaching people about these fish. And not only that, sustainable fishing. But unfortunately, just like most things in life, when money gets involved, it goes south real quick. Well, fellas, thought it was only right for me to have to get in here and see for myself what it's all about.
I'm not gonna lie to you, dude. Just knowing, watching those videos, knowing what is in here. Sharks. They were gonna do cage diving for sharks. And then you're gonna tell me I'm gonna swim out into the literal pitch black darkness. It's not happening. Fellas? That's all I need to see. A quick trip to Robbies, of course. We got mac and cheese, but what do you got, Jay Quizzy?
You know, I
What
don't
is
know.
that?
Looks like squid. Have you had these before?
No.
Have you had those before?
No.
What do you usually get from Robbies?
No, I usually don't eat here.
Oh, you just come for the tarpon?
We're gonna do a little mukbang. Usually I don't film this stuff, but we're gonna start vlogging a little bit more in these videos. If you guys enjoy this stuff, let me know in the comments down below. First thing, mac and cheese bites.
Let me get one of them
Little
things.
dip in the mozzarella.
You don't need to dip it. It's good without it. What you gonna give it?
I'm gonna give these a 7.8 out of 10.
I think I'm gonna stick around that 7.
We need a rating from your mahi sticks.
Okay.
Oh my.
I'm gonna give that a 3.
3. Oh
Out
my.
of 3.
Oh, okay, all right. If you guys want to see more vlog stuff like this, us trying meals when we go places, let us know. I mean, I'll gladly film it. We have the camera anyway. About to feed some tarpon though. Let's go. This music's too loud. We have made it to the dock. I've got my bucket full of fish. A little side quest in today's video is going to be feeding the tarpon at Robbies. Not the pelicans. These things are rank out here. Oh! Oh! Come on. Of course, Brenton's over here feeding pelicans. I'm going to drop this one right on his head. Ready? No, not today. Oh my God! Did he get it? Almost got finessed. Dude, almost got finessed. Yeah. Camera's soaked, and that's it for the bait. Enough of Robbies. Back to the spot to check our trap. Come on, Brenton. Brenton, come on, buddy.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
All right, we're back. It's been like, what, 2 hours? The trap's been in the water for a long time. I can tell you what, the past couple times we've been checking the trap, there's a lot of minnows in it. The minnows have just been incredibly populated throughout this lake. I really wonder what this looked like. Like, truthfully, there's a wall of concrete right here. This was definitely like the entrance.
It was probably sick before they closed it down.
I know, it's so unfortunate, it really is. 14-acre lake, our trap has been sitting for a long time. We saw everything from grunt, pork, fish,
And it's not in the same
snapper.
place. It's not in the same place anymore.
It's not in the same place anymore, it floated. The trap was in this corner here, it is now over here. Look, dude,
There's still 1,000 fish.
and
in
there's
it.
fish inside of it.
Yeah.
Come, look closer. Brenton, what do you see?
I see. That looks like a small bumblebee Goliath group.
Into the trap, you could see a lot of minnows, lots and lots of minnows. We caught half the population, and then there is less shrimp for sure, and some other fish that are kicking around in there as well. What is that, dude? We got like some sort of, I think it's pork fish, which I've always wanted those in my aquarium, so this works out perfectly. We're taking them home.
We are?
Yes,
Seriously?
we're taking them home.
100%.
No.
Oh.
The fun part is trying to get this out of the water. Look at all the fish in here. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't even know. That might be that's a big mosquito fish, I think. See the size of that thing? Look at how beautiful these porkfish are. You cannot tell me those are not the most stunning fish
Do you know why they call them
ever
porkfish?
created. No, why?
No, because they're related to actual pigs.
How honest should you be?
I'm straight being as honest as possible.
Those are such cool fish.
They are descendants from the swine family.
Look at that. Look how orange those fins are. That is about as orange as it gets. The two coolest fish we caught today. Definitely a fish that I want to get from my saltwater pond at some point. These are coming home at one point. Maybe come back here and actually do like a full
Catch and cook?
yeah. Catch and bring home. Here we go.
You see a barracuda come up and
Woo! Now along with those porkfish, we have a lot of other minnows. Come closer, Jay Quizzy. Look inside that trap. There is a whole lot of fish, as well as some grunts too. He's got a hook mark out of his back.
I don't know if that's what that is.
No, that is a healed. Someone put a hook in his back and that healed.
You think so? You think that's what that is?
Yeah.
What happens if you just got bit?
No, that's definitely like, I've done some fishing in my past. That's someone hooked that thing. These are called grunts. See that lip? Comes all the way down, almost straight down, literally. Crazy. Let's get these guys back in the water. Oh, he was gone. That guy took off. Same with him. They were ready to go. 4 fish, all reef related, which is really, really cool, and a heck of a lot of mollies and minnows here. That is crazy amount of fish. Nice little pot of minnows. Holy golly. Well, guys, you get the point. We caught hundreds of fish along with our 4 other big fish. We're gonna dump in the water along with a lot of shrimp. These fish are about to have a feast. Holy shrimp.
Oh my god.
Huh, get it? Holy shrimp.
Don't ever,
Look at all that shrimp.
Don't ever let him do that again.
That is that 14-acre saltwater lake behind me here. Literally massive. The amount of species that's probably in here that we don't even know about. I think 60 feet deep. 60 feet, that's insane. If you guys want to see more stuff like this out of the Florida Keys, let me know. It's only like a 3-hour drive. It was a blast coming here. We're about to film a video on a tent in the middle of this. I guess Brenton has some crazy ideas, so
yeah.
We're gonna do that too. Aqua Ranch, I hope to see you back here one day with no code violations, so we can come visit all your cobia.
Didn't you just say you're about to buy this property?
I would love to.
You're
bro.
like a millionaire.
No,
or
I'm
something
not.
Like that,
I do
right?
not have millions of dollars. I wish I did. If I did, I'd probably buy this. Although,
What about you?
No, don't put the camera.
You
on
billionaire?
Paul. Put the camera on Paul.
this place is really, really cool. I would build a home right there.
Tell him to shut up.
I had to call my mom so she could pay for my gas station snacks earlier when we got here. That's how down bad I am.
I heard your credit card company just left you.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, right here.
Is that a bedroom for me?
Yeah, all 3 of us.
Really?
3 beds, 2-bath on this property. If you guys want to see it, smash the like button. 100,000 likes. I will somehow convince Monroe County to sell me this property. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.